up, everybody? Today we're doing an unboxing for a new pair of shoes that I caught on Sneakers, which I'm pretty excited for. They are the Jordan 4 Lightning, which I believe came out in 2006 before, and this is a re-release of that. I guess before it was called the Tour shoe, and it was based off of Motorsports, and my husband and I love Motorsports, as evidenced by our cars and our motorcycles. And also I saw these online and I love the color. I didn't catch it on my size, I did catch it on my husband's, so I really do hope he wears these because I love the color. So you ready to go? So let's get ready to unbox them. So our rule is whoever wins does the sneaker review. So I caught this. It's my turn. Oh no, the box is a little bit damaged. But here you go. The bright yellow box. We actually do have a pair of the blue ones, just for a quick compare. As you can see, the blue ones have a white box with the blue logo and the cement. This one, obviously, since it's the Lightning, which is a yellow shoe, has a yellow box with the cement. And these are in size 11.5 for my husband. So, ready to unbox it? I love the cement pattern in this paper. There you go. Wow, that's really nice. I like the detail with I think this is suede, not nubuck, right? But it looks great. I know I've seen photos of 2006 and these look really close to that. You know, a couple differences they were saying was like the air is a different color, and I think it's a slightly less bright yellow, but this looks like a awesome looking shoe. I know this has been a big grail for a lot of people, so I'm pretty lucky that I got them. I also like this little detail where the Air Jordan is backwards. Overall, it feels really nice. I like the detail in this little spot where it's actually leather instead of these blue ones where we have where that's like the cement plastic and the cement plastic in the back, while this one has it all suede. Feels really soft, really nice. I like the color. I really hope my husband actually wears these instead of just displaying them. We'll see. Overall, oh, and I like this little yellow detail on this guy. Overall, I really like these shoes. I really wish I caught them in my own color, but in my own size, but I really like them. I don't know if I like them better than these, because blue is my favorite color. But this is actually pretty damn close to being one of my favorite Jordan 4s that he has. So, all in all, it's a great looking shoe, and I know it's been such a huge grail for someone because it came out so long ago and they didn't have a really limited release back then. But to have these are pretty cool. So, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye!